Why does Python code use len function instead of a length method? I know that Python has a len function that is used to determine the size of a string, but I was wondering why it's not a method of the string object.
There is a lay method.
Strings do have a length method, underscore underscore len underscore underscore. The protocol in Python is to implement this method on objects which have a length and use the built-in lay function, which calls it for you, similar to the way you would implement underscore underscore it underscore underscore and use the built-in iter function, or have the method called behind the scenes for you on objects which are writable. See emulating container types for more information. Here's a good read on the subject of protocols in Python and the principle of least astonishment.
Jim's answer to this question may help. I copy it here. Quoting Guido van Rossum. First of all, I chose len x over x.len for he reasons. Definite underscore underscore len underscore underscore came much later. There are two intertwined reasons actually. Both he sat smiley a. For some operations, prefix notation just reads better than postfix, prefix, and infix. Operations have a long tradition in mathematics which likes notations where the visuals help the mathematician thinking about a problem. Compare the easy with which we rewrite a formula like x asterisk a plus b into x asterisk a plus x asterisk b to the clumsiness of doing the same thing using a row O notation. B. When I read code that says len x, I know that it is asking for the length of something. This tells me two things: the result is an integer, and the argument is some kind of container. To the contrary, when I read x.len, I have to already know that x is some kind of container implementing an interface or inheriting from a class that has a standard len. Witness the confusion we occasionally have when a class that is not implementing a mapping has a get, or keys, method, or something that isn't a file has a write method. Saying the same thing in another way, I see len as a built-in operation. I'd hate to lose that.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.